Yeah. Hey, Miss Lisa, how are you doing? I'm taking movies of you. Of you?
Oh, great.
Yes, how are you?
Good. Are you feeling good?
Actually, today I am feeling good. I decided yesterday I was going to put my weights on today. There you are.
Wait. Hi.
Look, you got water. Hi, you got all your friends with you.
Jackie.
Hi, Jack. I met you before.
Look at your babies. How cute.
How are you doing?
Good.
Good to see you. I'm taking movies
It's
of
a
you.
beautiful day out.
What do you have to say? I'm going to
I'm so glad to be here. I've missed Bandera.